Yes, I love you, Stuart. Ow, ow, that's my hair. Hello, it's Pepper Wet Colleen, and I'm doing a quick video today to kind of do an update. I've been just working on cleaning up the yard. The animals have been having a blast, and I've had my grandson, and I just need to do some cleaning. But anyway, I was gonna do an update. So at one point in time I had three jobs, however you want to say it. And I now am down to two jobs. Yes, I will say that one of the jobs that I am not going to be working anymore. Part of the reason, I'm tired. I've worked really hard to buy this or purchase this property and to get some animals and to get things going on it. So I'm super excited. And there's some of the animals there. They're just kind of everywhere. It's a mess, but I love it. And then another thing is that there are definitely some things coming down the pipeline, and I know hopefully people are contacting their senators or local representative to help keep our country as our forefathers had it when it comes to certain choices. But because I'm definitely keeping my eye on that stuff. So one of my jobs went away because of that situation, but that's okay because I have other work, and I'm working on trying to do a small business, which I really don't think I'll make money on it right away, but it's going to be more of a way to keep me on task. I have the quote unquote ADD, ADHD, so I'm trying to keep myself on point and doing what I'm supposed to be doing. So along with this YouTube channel, the other business I'm working on will help make sure that I continue with education on animals and on things that can help the homestead, and help to continue that. But I'll be potentially doing a video about that in the future. And I did a cooking challenge on one of the other preppers, and so on Monday I'm gonna try to do some cooking with your preps. Like, okay, so the world doesn't, what do you cook? How do you cook it? You know, just what are some things that you can make your food taste better? So I'm gonna work on that. And then what else? I think that's about it. Just trying to do the things and read my word, read the Bible. Everybody, read your Bible. Even if you don't know if you're a believer or not, start and read your Bible. There's a lot of information and some really dramatic stories in the Bible. So anyway, but no, seriously, it's a very old book, and it's good literature. So even if you aren't a believer, it's definitely something to read. There's some really good stories in there, and poems and literature and whatnot. But anyway, I'm gonna go off on a tangent, but whatever. Y'all have a good one. Remember, you can do it. Keep on keeping it on. And I'm down to two jobs, so let's see how I can get my finances in order so that I can get down to one job, and maybe have this small business going too. I don't know. I'm just working on it. It's my brain. It never stops. I'm always thinking. So anyway, y'all have a great day. You can do it one step at a time. when I was growing up, my father was an alcoholic, and so some of the AA stuff is in my mind along with other things. So it's always, you know, sometimes it's 1 minute at a time, sometimes it's 1 second at a time, but you can do it. You got to keep on keeping on. All right, bye-bye. You guys take care. Remember, you can't, oh, where's my finger? There it is. Ah. You can do it. Bye.